Hi everyone, this is KJ for Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang performance ni Carmel Hidalgo for today's video ng ang rest back niya. Napanood ko ang kanyang, my God, ang ganda ng kanya. I wanna love somebody. Very diva talaga siya doon for today's video. But for today's video, ito talaga yung maraming nag-request talaga na gawa ko ng reaction video, ang kanyang rest back performance. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Her low notes. Sorry ha, kung namamali. May nag-comment kasi na mali ang pronouns ko na yung she and he. Alam ko din naman ang pronouns ng he and she. It's just that sometimes confusing lang talaga. And hindi naman talaga English talaga. Usually, ang ginagawa ko ng reaction video, Tagalog. At hindi naman ako pro mag-English. Okay, but wait a minute. I have to commend her low notes. Kasi sa mga singers talaga, mangha talaga ako that someone can execute low notes very well rather than hitting the high notes. Because executing the low notes, paulit-ulit ko talaga ito sinasabi, na pag mag-execute, mas mahirap. Mas mahirap talaga pag mag-execute ng low notes because you have to enunciate the words clearly, you have to pronounce the words clearly, you have to deliver the lyrics of the song very clear. So ang ganda ng low notes niya. And right after, prior to that sa low notes niya, ang ganda din ng kanyang crescendo and decrescendo. The crescendo, it means mahina, lalakas ang boses. Decrescendo is malakas, hihinaan niya yung boses niya. That is decrescendo. Plus, the intonation. Ang galing siguro nito mag-English. Sa totoo. Ang galing niya siguro mag-English. Sorry kung nag-pause ako ha. I know, Sean. Na-transition siya. That is not a falsetto. That is head tone ha. Vibrato. Grabe. Umpisa pa lang ng kanta niya pala. Ang vocal prowess niya, linabas niya na. No wonder. Sino yung mga kalaban niya dito? Sino Isaac, right? Yung mga nakasama niya sa rest back.
Check lahat ito with Nido 5 Plus.
Check the label, mommies!
Vibrato niya. Alam mo, total performer siya. Sabi ko nga sa unang reaction video ko, ang nasabi ko doon, parang she didn't came here for a contest eh. She came here just to perform or just to own the stage, basically. She's owning the stage. Lalo na yung I Wanna Dance Somebody niya na performance. Dear, inangkin niya talagang stage. Yung kinain niya talaga ang kalaban niya doon. Sa totoo lang, lamon na lamon, dear. Wala siyang tinira. Ang sabi ko nga, she ate and left no crumbs. Yun yung sabi ko talaga. Wala man lang tayo narinig na difficulty of breathing. As in, she really sustained that. Lang narinig. Hindi ko man lang naramdaman na nahirapan siya. Grabe, ang galing niya. Tapos na. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, the performance of Carmel. Last January 10 pa ito sa tawag na tanghalan sa Showtime. This is KJ for Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Wow!